Dr. Kim Anderson, our crop marketing specialist, is here now. Kim, any changes in the markets this week?
Markets just continue to go up, except for soybeans, that is, and cotton. But you look at wheat, they're up to $6.60 for harvest delivered wheat at Pond Creek. We started down, if you go back to March, it's at $5. We got up to just below $5.50, and then we've added over $1 to that market. And also, that average price for the harvest period is $5.80. So we're 80 cents above average right now for wheat. You look at corn, it's up to $4.75. The harvest average price for corn is $4.80, so we're almost at that. Corn just keeps working its way up. Wheat just popped up. Corn's working its way up. Soybeans, we had a little rally in beans, 10.75 up to 11.50. It's backing off. The beans aren't moving as powerful, let's put it that way, as wheat and corn. And cotton, it's just kind of stable at the lower levels that we've seen.
The May WASDE report was released last week, so that's looking at supply and demand estimates. What were you able to glean from that report?
Well, there wasn't any surprises in the report. You look at the pre-release estimates, they were right on. I think what you got to look at is for world, it's record wheat production. You look at the world for corn, record corn production, our almost record corn production. On soybeans, record production, cotton, just an average there, but you had relatively high production, but their prices aren't reacting to that. And the number to look at is that stocks-to-use ratio. Wheat for the U.S. is 41% average, 40% projected. You look at wheat in the world, 34% average, and at 32% average, 34% projected. You'd expect 580 wheat, we got 660. You look at corn, the stocks-to-use ratio, the average is 12, it's 14% for the U.S. You look at the world corn, it's projected to be 28, it's going and 26 average, so above average corn, but that corn price is up near average. Soybeans, 7.5% average, 10% projected. You'd expect your soybean prices to be below 1080. It's still up in the 1150 range. And cotton, 23% average, projected 25. So you expect cotton prices to be in the mid-70s, and that's where it is.
Let's talk now about how producers should sell their wheat now that we have some of this new information in.
Well, we got wheat prices at $6.60, the average $5.80, above average stocks-to-use ratios. You might want to take advantage of some of that, but the normal way and the way that I think that producers should sell their wheat is to stagger it in the market from June all the way through August. The average price is $5.80. If you're looking at the range of prices, if you've got $6.60 for the average harvest price, that'd give you a range. Normally you have plus or minus 80 cents, $5.80 to $7.40. Now, I personally think wheat prices will be lower than they are right now. I've been wrong before, and I can be wrong again, but I'm going to stick my neck out. I want to call for about $6 for a harvest average, and that'll give you a range from $5.20 to $6.80. Or if you look at, the biggest 3-month move was around $3.50, and that gets you a range of prices $4.50 to $7.50, and I think I can make that one.
Well, that's good. We want you to be able to look in the mirror after all, right?
You bet.
Okay, Kim, thanks a lot.